Hey everybody, my name is Jason T. Smith, and I cannot wait to see you at the end of the month at Inuhele in Atlanta. I am giving 2 symposiums. Count them. 1, 2. The first one is Friday night, 4 to 5 in the Lanai, and it is called You Can't Spell Beachcomber Without M-O-B. Now, you might think Don The Beachcomber, aka Ernest Raymond Beaumont Gant, was an amazing businessman, but he was not. But luckily, he married an amazing businesswoman named Cora Sun. So we're going to talk all about how Cora took the business from Hollywood to Chicago and got the mob involved. So I hope to see you all Friday night at 4 o'clock. And yummy. Now, my second speech is from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. on Saturday, so I hope you're awake by then. It's called Mug Collecting for the Tiki Nerd, and I say that lovingly because look at this. Are you a completist? Do you need every version of the mugs you collect? For instance, I live in Las Vegas. Frankie's Tiki Room is the local tiki bar here. This was the first bearded clam in brown. This was the second bearded clam, full color. And then this was the most recent bearded clam in satin pink. Now, if you are a fan of Frankie's, you might know these 3, but guess what? There's a mystery 4th one that is a bearded clam mug, but it was never really advertised. What is it? You'll find out on Saturday, and you might need one. And also from Frankie's, this is the lava ledge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here's a little puzzle for you that will win you a prize. There's a 7th version I don't have. The first person to approach me at the event at any time and tell me what version I am missing, you will get a fancy dancy prize. Also, both presentations will have prizes. Look, Chafin put me up against Heather Pleasant and Beach Bum Barry. I gotta bring the big guns. So besides some fun and entertainment and education, I'm bringing prizes. So come see me. Friday night, 4 o'clock in the Lanai. Saturday, 11:30 a.m. in the Lanai. And the rest of the weekend, I'll see you everywhere. We'll have fun. And we'll raise a toast. See you soon in Atlanta. Ta-da!